Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yael and I am so happy to have you here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a house tour to show you all the fun ways that we have decorated our home for my favorite season of the year, Christmas. This is our master bedroom, and the goal here was just to make it a little festive with a cute Christmas tree on top of the vanity and cozy up the space with some warm Sherpa blankets. My girls also have a Christmas tree that they decorated in their shared bedroom, and these cute little DIY wreaths that I initially had some trouble with, but I wound up tightly wrapping the garland around the bottom and it worked out just fine. Okay, that works. Moving on downstairs and into the homeschool space, we have a fun Christmas countdown, some garland above our circle time board, and a tiny little Christmas tree with a hat on our picture ledge. These houses are my absolute favorite decoration to pull out from year to year. I also have a little Santa's mailbox that I picked up from Home Goods, and this has been such a great activity, as well as some sensory things with these ornaments that are not breakable and some jingle bells. Originally, this wreath was looking a little tired and starting to fall apart, so my daughters and I got some decorations that were left over and gave it a whole new look. This right here is about the only decoration you're going to see on the kitchen counters this season. There's one thing that comes really close to my love for coffee, and that is bottle brush trees. They are so cute, and I love just putting a sprinkling of them all over the house and mixing them into our decor. In our tiny little mudroom area, we have these little baskets that I got from Target, and they're perfect for holding things like gloves and mittens for the winter season. Last but not least, my favorite area in the house, and that is the living room space where all the family gets together and hangs out. These pillows are actually just pillowcases that I bought off of Amazon and covered over the pillows that I had here before. These are absolutely fantastic quality, and I highly recommend them. If you're interested, I have links in the description below. Our tree is very eclectic, but I love it so much because it represents so many memories from so many different places, even from my own childhood. Oh my gosh, it's like the exact same. I have not grown since like the first grade. Wanted to frame out this mantle a little bit with the lights, and so I got some of these small mini command hooks and I just put some two-way tape on them and clipped them to parts of the string lights, attached it to the sides of the fireplace, and you really can't tell, but it makes a really nice framed look with the lights around the mantle. for hanging out with me a little bit and seeing all the fun ways that we have decorated our home, very eclectically so. If you have enjoyed today's content, please smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Be blessed, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm definitely a minimalist when it comes to things in my house.